Hi, here's a just-in-time video to give you some help with the field study for Unit 1. The last section is on calculating the cloud movement of the explosion from Mount Pinatubo, and if students have a problem with the field study, it's usually this. The tricky thing about it is they don't put the latitude and longitude lines in the diagram. If you've got that, then you know how to move forward, but it can be tricky to finding that information out. So, Google image search to the rescue. You can do a Wikipedia search or other search to find out the latitude and longitude of Mount Pinatubo right there. And here is a map of the world with the latitude and longitude lines in it. Mount Pinatubo being right about there. If we transfer the latitude and longitude lines from the map of the world onto that image, we get this. Mount Pinatubo exists right here. The closest latitude line is, not latitude, longitude line is this right here at 120 degrees. From the map of the world, we know that this one right here is 100 degrees. So what has it got to be in the middle? 110 degrees. For the latitude, we have 10 degrees for this latitude line and 20 degrees for this latitude line. If you look at the pictures, it doesn't vary a whole lot in terms of north to south movement. So if you want, you can disregard the latitude while calculating the distance. Then it just becomes a principle of, okay, the volcano was right here. How far did the cloud move? If it started at 120 degrees and now that the center is almost to 110, how far did it move? About 8 degrees. Once you've got that information, you can start calculating the distance through the subsequent pictures. Good luck, and if you have any questions, just send me an email at cliake@idahova.org. Thanks. Bye.